We have something to celebrate. Balls of this. Wizard was here. The entire market is dumping. This is the one. Yeah. Guys, it happened. I was right again. We have something to celebrate. Listen up. What do I mean with I was right again? It's very simple. I just made 550x on an investment. The investment is Toshi, and this is the investment that I've been saying on every podcast that I went to. I've said it online, I said it everywhere. This was one of my highest conviction plays, and it finally paid off today. So it hit my first take profit at 550 million. This means that I surpassed my previous biggest investment ever in Luna. That was 460x, because I was the first investor. Because I was the first investor in Toshi as well, I just surpassed it with 550x in total, and it is still going. So 1 billion is the next mark. Let me quickly show you. I said this, as you can see here. Toshi will be the #1 meme coin on base. There is a lesson in here, and the lesson is that it is way more beneficial to have full conviction in one token than have half conviction in 30 tokens itself. When you're looking at most people, they are spraying and praying. So it basically means that they just pick 30 tokens and then they hope that one goes hard. Instead of that, put the actual time in the game to learn it and to understand the game itself, so you can make high conviction plays like these. So again guys, I have something to celebrate today. I think I will get a new watch today just to celebrate the first take profit. And again, it's the first take profit, so let's see where it goes. But I'm happy. And guys, how normal people would celebrate a few 100k profit, what I'm doing. I'm ordering some McDonald's. Alright, let me quickly film Ali. Ali, what are we currently on? What's the market cap?
934.
934
million.
Okay, boom. So that means 934x, yeah, is just locked in. Sold, almost like 80%. So this means that, yeah, new personal record. And we are enjoying this, of course, with some nice food.
950.
950, boom. And guys, there's a reason, of course, why everyone calls me Wizard. And it is very simple. As you guys saw, I took profits at 950. Pause at this. This is where I took profits, right here, 5 hours later. It is down 40% after I took profits. Wizard was here. This is how we do it. Everyone is always talking, yeah, and I do this and this and this, but they never show it online. There's one rule that I always have, and that is if I make a move, everyone should be able to see it, because I want everyone to see that I can do it live. There you go. Ciao, ciao. Alright guys, good morning. Today is the day that we're going to pick up the watch. I first need to do some calls. After those calls, I will take you guys with me to pick up the watch, because this one is pretty empty at the moment, but the shirt is there. So we need to fix this quickly. And look guys, this is the perfect thing. We are now going to pick up the AP, and besides this, the entire market is dumping. Toshi is dumping as well. But guess who took profits on the top? Alright guys, quick side quest. As some people know, I played ice hockey my entire life, and I was just walking past the shop and I just saw the t-shirt of one of my favorite players from Pittsburgh. That's my favorite ice hockey team. So I passed by, and before we're getting the watch, I felt, okay, I need this one. So thank you so much. Alright, so guys, we just arrived, and listen up. First, I wanted to treat myself with a Daytona, until Joseph said, you're not going to do that, I have something way more special. A Daytona, everyone can get it in 5 minutes, but this one is way better. So I will show you that one in a few seconds, but he was first going to tell me something about this.
Every single watch dealer in Dubai has a Daytona in stock. Like, yes, it's the most sought after Rolex. It goes double retail, all of that, but you can get one any day.
Yeah.
I know you're a guy of class. AP is a bit more. Oh, I said Demi too much, but we found something else for you. Let's look at it.
Okay, got it. Boom, guys. Wait 1 second. This is the one. Yeah. It is a AP 15300 ST. and this one is discontinued. What I like about it is that the AP logo itself is a bit bigger than usual. And again, first I wanted to go for this one, but then Joseph told me, don't do it, go for something more special. And I was like, you know what, I will trust him on this one. So this is the new pickup from now on. I like it. No? And for the wife, we have of course something nice as well. Bracelets. Good stuff. And guys, please understand, never ever compare yourself to someone else in a different journey, okay? You can look at this now and think, yeah, wait, but he just bought a watch and I only lose in the markets. Yes, but I'm already 7 to 8 years in this market itself, okay? So I'm longer in the game. Never ever compare yourself to someone who is longer into a certain game than you are, because you will be miserable. Alright guys, quick story time. So today I was just working and to be honest not a lot was happening. And then at one moment I got a message from the official AP store, okay? Because they saw my story and he wanted to congratulate me on the new watch. That most of the time is like a sign that they want to give you something as well. So I went there and the guy was like, yeah, and congratulations, and we registered the watch and everything. And this could be the sign that maybe in the future they are going to give me something. And as everyone knows who watches the channel for a long time, this is something that I always wanted. Rolex always rejected me, I got one. But AP maybe is the next step. Alright guys, so to end the vlog, I'm going to the cigar shop now. I will show you the cigar shop and we're going to my favorite cigar lounge. So keep watching. Guys, there's one problem if you're a big cigar fan, and that is sometimes you have very good moments and sometimes you have very bad moments in the market. So sometimes the entire shelf is full with all of the stuff that you actually want, and sometimes there's absolutely nothing. But today we still got this entire box instead of the normal package of 5. But if the normal package isn't here, we need to go for that one. So I'm happy.
Para hacerme sufrir más. Siempre fuiste la razón de mi existir. Adorarte para mí fue religión. Y en tus besos yo encontraba el calor que me brindaba.
Alright guys, this was it for this week. I will see you next week. Ciao ciao.